Hi, in front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that auto rotation is disabled, so to enable it, hit the same shortcut again. You can also go into settings, access display and brightness, and then scroll all the way down to click on this switcher next to auto rotate feature. This way you can switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!